What if the key to a more powerful, peaceful you lies in an age-old healing practice? In today's fast-paced world, men frequently overlook the value of true restoration. It's not merely about sleep. It's about profound healing recovery. Male therapeutic massage isn't just another wellness fad. These practices have been perfected over centuries because they work. Far from being merely indulgent, these sessions enhance blood flow, melt away tension, help your body combat both the effects of time and physical strain. Whether you're in your prime or your golden years, these proven methods deliver tangible results. If you're curious about ancient healing wisdom that complements contemporary health needs, you've found your resource. We provide authentic, traditional wellness knowledge designed for men who seek both vigor and tranquility. Take action now. Subscribe and begin your journey to a more centered, revitalized self. 1. The historical roots of men's therapeutic massage. These healing practices aren't new innovations, but rather ancient arts with origins in Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and Greek healing traditions. For millennia, men worldwide have used touch therapies to rebuild strength, restore equilibrium, sharpen focus, and renew energy. Ancient Indian practitioners used oil therapies to boost circulation and purify the body, while Chinese tuina massage worked to harmonize the body's energy systems. These weren't just remedies for illness, they were essential components of daily wellness. Carefully preserved through generations, these methods honor the body's innate healing capacity when properly supported. Today, contemporary wellness centers are reviving these powerful techniques as men rediscover their transformative potential. Knowing this rich heritage adds deeper meaning to the practice, reminding us that true wellness isn't about repair alone, it's about sustaining what works. By embracing this ancient knowledge, modern men can achieve renewal on every level, physical, mental, and spiritual, drawing on centuries of healing wisdom. 2. Body benefits for men over 40. As men enter their 5th decade and beyond, natural changes emerge. Muscle tightness, slower recuperation, lingering exhaustion. Therapeutic massage offers a natural solution to these age-related shifts. These specialized sessions support the muscular system by enhancing blood flow, releasing tension points, and improving flexibility, all crucial as natural elasticity declines. The practice also aids the lymphatic system in removing toxins, decreasing inflammation while boosting immune response. Consistent sessions even promote better sleep by reducing stress hormones while increasing relaxation chemicals. Over time, this simple practice becomes a cornerstone for graceful aging and maintaining a resilient physique. This isn't about appearance, it's about sustaining capability. Regular participants often report heightened energy, sharper focus, and enhanced overall well-being. Rather than waiting until problems arise, proactive massage care helps men maintain their edge, allowing them to enjoy life with greater comfort, vitality, and self-assurance well into later years. 3. Psychological and emotional restoration through touch. Beyond physical benefits, men's wellness massage addresses a frequently ignored aspect: mental and emotional renewal. In a culture that prizes male stoicism, therapeutic touch offers rare emotional sanctuary. By soothing the nervous system and regulating breathing, massage creates precious moments of calm where deeply held tensions, both physical and psychological, can finally unwind. During these sessions, long-buried stress begins to dissolve. The practice also promotes emotional equilibrium by triggering oxytocin production, the bonding hormone that fosters trust and connection. Simply permitting oneself to experience healing touch without reservation allows access to profound peace seldom found in modern existence. This isn't fragility, it's profound self-awareness. Releasing stress through massage enables men to return to their roles with greater patience, clarity, and emotional presence. It's permission to restore, to process, and to heal, because true resilience often begins with physical calm. 4. Selecting the right massage for your needs. All massages aren't equal. For men pursuing genuine wellness, understanding these differences is crucial. Various techniques serve distinct purposes. Deep tissue work addresses chronic tightness, ideal for physically demanding jobs or athletic training. While Swedish massage promotes overall relaxation better suited for high-stress professionals or those with sleep issues, Thai massage incorporates stretching that benefits mobility, particularly valuable for stiff joints or mature muscles. Always verify cleanliness and practitioner expertise. Clear communication about your needs and any discomfort ensures truly personalized treatment. Whether seeking stress relief, pain management, or sleep improvement, specificity helps customize your experience. Ultimately, quality massage isn't just about temporary comfort. It's about intentional healing. Choosing the proper technique and skilled practitioner elevates massage from occasional luxury to meaningful wellness ritual. Carefully designed to fortify your body and quiet your mind with purpose. 5. Creating a lasting massage practice. Wellness develops gradually, and massage benefits compound over time. To fully harness its potential, men should approach massage not as sporadic luxury, but as consistent self-care. Bi-weekly or monthly sessions accelerate recovery, maintain muscle suppleness, progressively address chronic issues like stiffness or back pain. With consistency comes better posture, reduced injury risk, and deeper rest. Like daily hygiene or regular exercise, massage deserves its place in your wellness rhythm. Strategic scheduling around physical demands or seasonal changes maximizes benefits. Complementary practices like proper hydration, stretching, and sleep optimization enhance each session's effects. While just one element of holistic health, massage remains profoundly impactful. For men committed to aging strongly and living balanced lives, establishing a massage routine represents both smart investment and timeless practice. Maintained consistently, massage becomes a silent partner in your well-being journey, keeping you centered, energized, and prepared to face life's challenges with resilient vitality and inner calm. Final thoughts. Men's wellness massage transcends simple relaxation. It's a reconnection with ancestral wisdom that reminds us true strength grows from self-care. From its ancient origins to modern applications, massage offers physical renewal, emotional stability, and enduring vitality. For men at any life stage, particularly those over 40, regular sessions become powerful tools for longevity and mental clarity. Adopting this practice isn't self-indulgence, it's intelligent maintenance. Make it part of your life as a ritual of both power and peace. Subscribe for more time-honored wellness insights and start moving toward your strongest, most balanced self.